welcome to the extravagant annual Sports Fiesta 2023 of Kangaroo Kids International School. It is heartwarming to see a multitude audience joining us this Sunday morning. We promise you that this morning will be worth all your time. Audience, please pay attention. Our chief guest for the day has arrived. Let us commence the program by bidding a spirited welcome to our honorable chief guest, Sir Swapnil Wankhede Sir, who is the Commissioner of Nagar Nigam Jabalpur. We are elated and profoundly honored to have you with us today, sir. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for gracing our annual sports meet. I request Manini Harshe to welcome Sir Wankhede with a token of gratitude. Audience, can we please have a huge round of applause? Let us give a great welcome to our chief guest. Amira Vishnoi, a student of Kangaroo Kids International School, awaits eagerly to welcome one and all present here. So ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Amira.
Honorable guests, dedicated and enthusiastic spectator. I am Irish welcome all to Group 10 Annual Sports Day. Today we come together not only to development of our students, but to celebrate the values that sport teaches us. Look at competition. They worked very hard for this day, so don't forget to cheer us. All of us have worked very hard for this day, so don't forget to cheer us. And forward for the journey of our sports day, let us carry the character of fairplay and sportsmanship. With that, I declare our sports job and let the fun begin. Thank you.
I take immense pride to acquaint you with our zestful and enterprising torchbearers for the day. We begin with Ayan Juneja. I would now request our chief guest, Sir Swapnil Wankhede, our chairperson, Ma'am Arpita Malpani, Principal, Ma'am Sonia Kochar, Kangaroo Kids, Principal, Ma'am Purnima Ikigai, to step up for the unfurling of the August school flag.
I love Kangaroo Kids, it's the happiest place I'll be. They show me frogs and turtles and things and teach me how to smile. They learn me big important words and tell me green from white. I love Kangaroo Kids, it's the happiest place I'll be.
My teachers really love me. They make me feel so cool. So every day I wake up and...
Well, after the formal opening of the event, I welcome you all to a delightful world of pom-pom dance drill by the nursery and playgroup students of Kangaroo Kids and Ikigai. Get ready for a burst of energy rhythmic fun, and adorable moves that will have your little ones grooving with joy. Let's together dive into the magical realm of pom-pom dance drill by the learners of playgroup and nursery.
Legends never die when the world is calling you. Can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die. They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near.
It's deep in their bones, they'll run into smoke when the fire is fierce. Oh, pick yourself up, guys.
Legends never die. Legends never die. Legends never die.
आगे आगे सबसे आगे अपना सीना तान के आ गए मैदान में हम झंडे गाड़ने। ओ अब आ गए हैं जो छा गए हैं जो जब ये जमाना देखेगा। देखो जुनून क्या होता है, जिद क्या होती है, हमसे जमाना सीखेगा। जीतेगा जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा, है दुआ हर दिल की, है यकीन लाखों का। जीतेगा जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा, जीतेगा जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा। हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यारबाज हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Now it is going to be a demonstration of perfect sportsmanship. Let's embark on this journey by our races all lined up. We begin with our junior KG races, the first one being the Milkha Singh race, and the participants are Neethan Chakravarti and Harshvardhan Singh Yogi, Aarti Murmukha and Arzoi Kaur Banga, Arvika Dixit and Mishika Agrawal, Krishna Keslani and Pranav Kodiar, Neemat Kaur Hora and Divisha Singhai, Athar Kanochia and Prithvik Gupta, Gurneesh Singh Anand and Judah Lincoln Alexander, Ivan Tateja and Swarito Swal, Gianna Talwani and Agastya Tipriwala, Rushika Jain and Adriti Singh, Umar Khan and Ariman Singh Rajput, Kabir Soni and Adya Pawar, Krishna Rai and Mitanj Pradhani, and Shomik Dubey and Athar Singh Parihar. commendable performance by all the participants. Please understand at this age, participants is the key. Moving on to our next race, which is going to be the Jodha Akbar race. You can already see the children entering the field, all lined up in their beautiful attires. The participants are Dhairya Mitani and Avika Agrawal, Arif Agrawal and Amira Kohli, Arsh Gulati and Arya Srivastav, Zadanuddin Khan and Kainat Singh, Ahan Kumar and Naisha Jain, Aditya Dutt and Ridhuni Dubey, Jayesh Jain and Naisha Jain, Tamik Agrawal and Mayanshi Lakhira, Ishan Kori and Mohi Jain, Burhanuddin Adnan Hussain and Navda Jain, Anay Shah and Vihana Samaya, Yash Dikshit and Radhya Sharma, Arjun Jain and Anaisha Jain, Shivaya Ranga and Ahna Jay Modi, Rutvik Gohil and Ishanvi Tiwari, and Yuvansh and Inaya Singh. The children looking adorable with those garlands in their hands and the costumes that they're wearing. Did you have a look at the intricate details on both the sides? Yes? I know you all are very engrossed in just taking pictures of the little ones. You don't want to miss any moments. But let's just have this importance that it takes a lot of efforts to put up a show like this. Do you agree with me? I had written a couple of lines so that it would be a very polite request to, control your excitement, be in your seats. But I think you all are cooperating with me so much, so that saves a lot of my energy as well. So thank you so much, and just clap for yourselves, audience, for being so cooperative. Let's give it a huge round of applause for our Jodhas and uncles from that side of Waterloo. Yes, that's a great audience now. Alright, up next we have our next race, that is from the junior category, KG, the Vishwanathan Anand race. The participants, and they are Anjaneya Singh Thakur and Arisha Jain, Arav Gautam and Aryan Shukla, Avyaj Soni and Harda Singh Dua, Josiah James Vickers and Ahna Shukla, Kanav Agrawal and Veer Khanna, Kian Sharma and Viraj Agrawal, Krishiv Kukreja and Vrishti Agrawal, Ved Dhawan and Ayansh Saxena, Riyan Agrawal and Dhruv Puraswani, Samarveer Agrawal and Shrivardhan Sharma, Shanav Keshwani, Sachika Kadam, Vayu Tiwari, Yagya Pratap Singh Lodhi, and Pritish and Naisha Vishnu. Okay, well, it is the Sania Nehwal race. I think now you can relate. So we have Ashvi Malgani, Anaisha Nayak, Anha Kolhani, Anvesha Nema, Avika Patel, Chavi Patel, Mahira Kesharwani, Meera Baharia, Navya Khandelwal, Pakhi Agrawal, Rabia Dhiravani, Suvira Bonikar, Isha Tiwari, Narayani Pandit, and Amaira Malgani. Well, this race is going to be a little tricky one because they need to balance the shuttlecocks on the rackets. And the cocks, as you all know, are quite lightweight, so they tend to fall off. Let's see how they showcase their caliber and skills.
जलना बुझना बुझ के जलना मरना जीना मर के जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना गिरना उठना उठ के चलना चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना जीत का जुनू है तो हार सोचना जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक बनना.
Our next race participants, now can you guess from their attires what race it could be? Wow, I have a smart audience with me. Yes, it is the Chanakya race and the participants are so we have Arsh Jain, Agastya Verma, Ansh Doshi, Avir Jivani, Idham Agrawal, Jaywardhan Chamdar, Kabir Kataria, Kartavya Singh Sisodia, Kushank Singh, Mohammad Aban, Roshan Chotwani, Sarwan Agrawal, Sehaj Dilbagi, Ayan Janeja, Yuvraj Rishi Sethi and Manvik Tiwari. Very well done, participants. Kudos to you all. This was indeed, it had a reflection of the essence of Chanakya, that means supreme intelligence. Okay, let me introduce you to our next set of races, which is by the upper KG. It's entitled Baichakutiya race, and the participants are Avyukt Tiwari, Mihir Kumar Khatri, Patwant Singh Sandhu, Samar Singh Panwar, Sarvashresht Tripathi, Shivay Tripathi, Abhyuday Dikshit, Advait Agrawal, Ayan Malgani, Ayansh Khatri, Ayansh Sahu, Atticus Birkin, Ranvijay Singh Nair, Rayansh Grover, and Varish Malgani. Well, this race requires a lot of agility by these young ones. They need to catch the ball, pass it on, so a lot of spontaneity is needed at their end, which I'm sure they are all ready for. Eshna Jadwani and Anaira Vishwakarma, Akshata Khanijo and Advika Tiwari, Andri Pachori and Elisha Khanijo, Shreem Raj and Yashika Ishani Shukla, Amaira Vishnoi and Bhavishya Bajaj, Gauravi Bhanot and Sukhman Kaur Taluja, Krisha Adnani, Abchal Kaur Saluja, Amaira Matani, Anya Agrawal, Arika Agrawal, Naisha Agrawal, Eva Kaurav, Inaya Gori, Shatakshi Acharya and Tashi Grover. What was one of the most proud moments of 2023? Can anyone tell me one of the most proud moments of 2023 for India? Yes, that's correct. It was the Chandrayaan. The ISRO made us proud, and we have our junior scientists, would-be scientists, or ODGs, you never know. The word is out for them, all ready to make us proud today as well. So we have the participants of the Modi Chandrayaan race, Ashif Grover, Trisha Chatia, Aryan Yadav, Myra Kataria, Ayan Sharma, Nitara Dhuvre, Himansh Patel, Zubeda Khan, Kritin Saxena, Naira Kumar Jain, Mivan Asrani, Rehan Kaur Anand, Nirvair Basoor, Niyamit Kaur Rana, Priyansh Vijay, Ahna Kupreja, Shubhransh Dwivedi, R.V. Dixit, Vardhan Jain, Amelia Singh, Avan Pandey, Nitara Namdev, Shevya Gheyani, Amaira Agrawal, Arif Gupta, Inaya Mankar, Rihan Dharmadhikari, Mahira Khan, Dhruv Kishore Puria and Jasveet Kaur Ahluwalia.
करके दिखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे देख जाए आसमां शाबाशियाँ 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 शाबाशियाँ
Now it's time to acknowledge the achievement of the races of our LKG and UKG, for which I would request our chief guest, Mr. Swapnil Wankhede, Principal Camera Kids, Ma'am Sonia Kochar, and Principal Ikigai, Ma'am Purnima. I would also request Mrs. Wankhede to accompany in the prize distribution ceremony. It is a group race for Shaumik along with Athar Singh Parihar. Then we have in the second position Athar Kanodia and Krutvik Gupta. And the first pair to win is Gianna Tilwani and Agastya Chitrivara. Attained by the pair Shivai Ranga and Ahna Jay Modi. Second, Rutvik Gohil and Ishanti Tiwari. And the winners of this race are Harsh Gulati and Arya Srivastava. And first, Anjali Singh Thakur and Aisha Jain. Proud moments for the children. They may not right now realize what they have achieved, but later on over the years, I'm very sure when they will look at the pictures back then, they'll feel very proud of themselves. As of now, the parents are supremely proud. And we see the children waving at the parents. The best part is they have spotted you among so many. Right in front of you are the prizes being given for the Jodha race, which I had announced previously. Next are the winners of Sania Nehwal race. Third, Avika Patel. Second, Shavi Patel. And first, Ashri Balgani. Up next lined up are the winners of the Chanakya race. The third position has been obtained by Mohammad Afan. Some cheerings happen naturally. The bursting of the balloon was a symbol of that here. Second, Jay Bardhan Jamdar. And first, Ayan Juneja. Third position has been obtained by Dhruv and Justin. Second position, Nitver Basoor and Niyamit Kaur Khana. And third position, Avan Pandey and Nitara Namdev. Let's hear it for all the winners once again, audience. Yes, let's hear some noise as well. Come on. Thank you, dignitaries. We would now begin with our next segment of races by the playgroup and nursery. The first race is the Subhash Chandra Bose race and the participants are Arika Pawar, Ariman Gohil, Atharv Dinkar, then Ivan Pudrani, Jodhveer Singh Gujral, Kashmir Ravlani, Kaira Ahuja, Mihan Paraswani, Mishka Agrawal, Prabjot Singh Gujral, Rajveer Bajaj, Shanaya Pari, Swaransh Wankere, Tanush Raghavingai and Viha Singh.
मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
निकले हैं मैदान में हम जा हथेली पर लेकर अब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर
Next we have our next race by playgroup Father of Nation race and the participants are Avilash Srivastav, Nived Khandelwal, Inaya Jain, Alamrita Vishwakarma, Shritik Kuchya, Ekansh Chatia, Swasti Agrawal, Ayansh Jain, Yashasvi Pathak, Yug Mehwani, Swasti Shah, Yuval Mehwani, Maitreyi Tiwari, Anvi Singh, Meher Makkar, Divyapriti Singh, Navteej Singh Oberoi and Abir Raj Singh Kadra.
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के
वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम
a renowned painter and artist. The participants are Adya Sharma, Anaisha Bharadwaj, Indika Bhagat, Kavya Shruti, Inaya Piyush Jain, Darni Singh, Mishka Vijay, Anay Agrawal, Arjun Nayak, Abraj Singh Obi, Arthurul Mohsin, Priyansh Prakash, and Vihan Goswami.
Come on, let's paint with some colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Mix them together to get purple, green, and orange too. We put the paint on the brush and we swirl it all around. We swirl.
Well, our painters, maybe you never know, are all set to paint the town red. Up next, we have lined up students of nursery in the Tendulkar race. And the participants are R.S. Singh Thakur, Anaisha Pura, Arham Shafiq Ansari, Abhiraj Dixit, Ira Agrawal, Ismet Naidu, Gianna Yadav, Kiana Katwani, Manini Harshe, Maithili Malgani, Radvi Tiwari, Rihanna Khatri, Shivan Grover, Skylit Singh, Vivan Parmar, Yuvan Biohar, and Sharvil Tripathi.
ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया.
In the Abdul Kalam race, the participants are Koisha Mishra, Anika Rai, Riddhi Nagri, Nisha Agrawal, Trishika Samaya, Shivanya Tiwari, Rudransh Rajput, Krishan Agrawal, Vivan Shokar, Ahan Valecha, Dash Razan, Yuval Javani, Amit Singh Hora, Kabir Tiwari, Neha Shukrawal, and Divit Bakar.
मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल पास है फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम पूरा चांस है
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में मार्स है क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है अपने दिल में मार्स है.
Yes, lined up next we have the Jawaharlal Nehru race and the participants are Mishka Gupta, Abhyuday Tandon, Parikshita Singh, Akshay Mulchandani, Amrita Agrawal, Sarvati Tiwari, Wendy
बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है।
मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी, मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी। हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है, हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है।
भोली भाली मत वाली आंखों में क्या है, भोली भाली मत वाली आंखों में क्या है।
आंखों में झूमे उम्मीदों की दिवाली, आंखों में झूमे उम्मीदों।
Alright, as you can already see the setup now, we have the second set of prize distribution that is for our playgroup and nursery races. I would request our special guest, Mrs. Ankita Singh, and Principal Billabong International School, Ma'am Saima, to give away the prizes. Well, we have the winners right in front of you, being adorned by the medals of the Subhash Chandra Bose race. There's a tie between two people for the third position, and it has been obtained by Jodhveer Singh Gujral and Swaraj Wankhede. Second, Mihan Puruswani, and first, Prabjot Singh Gujral. I told you the competition was neck to neck, and it really gave our judges a very hard time. Alright, up next I'm going to announce the winners of our second race, that was in the playgroup and nursery category, that was Father of the Nation race. The third position I'll begin with has been secured by Alankrita Vishwakarma. Second, Yug Methwani, and first, Shritik Kuchya. Now I think we have our would-be painters. Yes, the third position has been obtained by Adhya Sharma. Second, Idika Thagat, and first, Larni Singh. Right in front of you are the winners of Tendulkar race. Third position has been obtained by Arav Singh Thakur. Second, Yuvan Biohar, and first, Vivan Parmar.
Dear parents, we have a surprise. So we're going to have a parents' race for which already the lucky participants have been chosen by means of a lottery. So we are just announcing the names of the chosen few. First of all, congratulations. for making it at least this far. And then if you win, that would be lovely. So after this prize distribution, we have Swapnil sir addressing the gathering. I would request that if your name is being called out, kindly come from behind the parent seating area and come to the announcement booth and stand here, please, so that we do not waste too much time later.
Okay, so the lucky parents are parents of Prabjot Gujral, Silki Gujral and Daljit Singh Gujral. Parents of Aviraj Srivastav, Priyanka Srivastav and Dhaval Srivastav. Parents of Idika Dhagat, Vardika Dhagat and Pallav Dhagat. Parents of Skylet Singh, Rubina Ruston and Ashish Singh. Parents of Avreen Jolly, Anupreet Kaur and Manveer Singh Jolly. Parents of Sarvagya Tiwari, Meenal Tiwari and Saurabh Tiwari. Parents of Ahna Shukla, Purvi Shukla and Bhanu Shukla. Parents of Amaira Kohli, Shivani Kohli and Akshat Kohli. Parents of Mitansh Budhani, Tuhina Budhani and Hemant Budhani. Parents of Mivan Asrani, Neha Asrani. Parents of Aryan Yadav, Ankita Yadav. Manvik Tiwari's parents, Meenal Tiwari. Parents of Avir Javani, Simran Javani and, well, it is handwritten, I'm sorry I can't read the name, so Mr. Javani I guess. Parents of Ishwit Bhole, Dr. Swati Bhole and Vivek Bhole. Parents of Sharvi Khedia, Aditi Khedia and Somesh Khedia. Parents of Krishiv Rai, Kavya Rai and Kshitij Rai. Asians. Mrs. Gujral would get track number 1. Do we have Mr. and Mrs. Gujral here? If you're not in pair, then maybe you can call for a friend or somebody who can accompany you. Followed by Idika Dhagat, parents, track number 3. Skylet Singh's parents, track number 4. Avreen Jolly's parents on track number 5. Sarvagya's parents on track number 6. Ahna Shukla's parents on track number 7. Amaira Kohli's parents on track number 8. Mitansh Budhani's parents on track number 9. Parents of Mivana Asrani on track number 10. Of Aryan Yadav, track number 11. Manvik Tiwari's parents are on track number 12. Ashkis's parents are on track number 13. Avir's parents are on track number 14. Followed by Ishwit's parents on 15. Sharvi Khedia's parents on 16. And Krishiv yours to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sir Swapnil Mankere. I request Sir to come forth and speak a few words and share his experience for the day. Amira Kohli's parents, are you here? You are supposed to be on track number 8.
आप सबको सबसे पहले मेरा नमस्कार और मैं सबसे पहले स्कूल को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि यू हैव अरेंज एन एक्सीलेंट इवेंट हियर. थैंक यू स्कूल, थैंक यू टीचर्स, थैंक यू मैनेजमेंट, थैंक यू प्रिंसिपल एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट थैंक यू ऑल द पेरेंट्स फॉर कमिंग हियर. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
That's very important. So, thank you so much, sir. Let's hear it for our chief guest once again. Can we please hear it for our chief guest once again? Over to you, Sonia ma'am.
And now for the most exciting event, at least for the parents, right? We have a couple of drills which are remaining, which the children have worked very hard for. So after the parents race, we will have the junior and senior KG drills and the race. So what is it exactly about? It's called the infinity loop. Untangle yourself from the infinity loop. Hold your partner's hand. Reach the finishing line. Touch the line to finish the race. Anybody running alone is disqualified. I think that is clear to everyone. First, okay, 1 second. First of all, this is incorrect. Yes. No. And 1 second. You cannot open the knot to untangle yourself. You have to work out how to disengage from this loop without removing your handcuffs. First, इससे बाहर निकलिए. बाहर निकल गए, इसको यहाँ छोड़ दीजिए. Once you move out of the infinity loop, leave the ribbons on the starting point. Should we start? Has everybody been captured into the infinity loop? Okay, so on your mark, get set, go, and I can see people are already on it. Or should we? Yes? Oh.
Okay, that was a riveting performance out there. Are you all out of your breaths? A, because of excitement, and B, because of running all of a sudden. Before I announce, I request Ma'am Arpita to be there. She's already there. Ma'am Sonia to accompany, Ma'am Purnima, and Sir Malpani as well. Okay, the first position has been attained by Mivan Ansari's mother, Neha Asrani. Second, Sharvi Kedia's parents have made Sharvi proud now. The couple was Aditi Kedia and Somesh Kedia. And the third position has been secured by Sarvagya Tiwari's parents, Meenal Tiwari and Saurabh Tiwari. Request all the parents to be seated. We are moving on with our next drills, which are aligned in front of you, as you all can see already. How can we not remember our important, quintessential, unavoidable historians who have imprinted in the history their stories of valor and courage. So, to amp up with some dance, right here in front of you on the field, we have our drill, the Shivaji dance, a display by LKG and UKG boys.
सरर होलिका जले शत्रु राह में मिले हमने जब जब शमशीरे ताने है माए भवानी नन आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने बात यही मन में ठानी है माया भवानी हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार हैं अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे तेरे चरण की शपथ मां जगदम्बे है माया भवानी
मां भवानी का पुत्र मराठों की शान मातृभूमि पर सर्वस्व नौछावर करके बचाए थे अपनों के प्राण ऐसे वीर धरती पुत्र मराठा गौरव थे दक्षिण के शेर श्री 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 छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज
चमके तेज तिलक तलवार शिवाजी हो शंभू रूप अवतार शिवाजी हुई धरा धन्य जन लाल शिवाजी राखी केसरिया की लाज शिवाजी तेज तिलक तलवार शिवाजी हो शंभू रूप अवतार शिवाजी हुई धरा धन्य जन लाल शिवाजी राखी केसरिया की लाज शिवाजी
मुठ बर घेतले मावळे सोबती नाय पाहिला जाती पाती लढले मातीसाठी फाडला कोतळा नाय चालू दिल्या कुटीनीती मुघलांच्या उराव फडकवला भगवा हाती मुघलाचा बाप राजा माझा सूर्य उन तेच होता राजा माझा हर हर करी गाजा वाजा हर हर करी उभा केला स्वराज्य माझा
महाराज का खात्मा करने आया मुगलों का जीता जागता शैतान कदम से उसकी धरती का नाम था उसका अफजल खान।
आओ शिवाजी आओ आओ हमारे गले लग जाओ।
इंद्रजिमी जंब पर वादवसु अंब पर रावण सरंब पर रघुकुल राज है। पौन बारी बाह पर संबुरती नाह पर जो सहस बाह पर राम द्विजराज है। बाहों में गर्दन दबाकर के खान ने पीठ पर खंजर मार दिया। महाराज को शक तभी हो गया मां भवानी का स्मरण किया और फाड़ के रखा पेट खान का शेरे नाखून से वार किया। शिवराज है।
भारतवर्ष एक महान सभ्यता है जहाँ मिट्टी भी सोना थी और दिलों के दरवाजे हर मेहमान के लिए खुले थे। इन्हीं दरवाजों से एक दिन घुस आए कुछ क्रूर शैतानी इरादे। हिंसा और अत्याचार के सामने जब घायल हो रही थी हर आत्मा, तब इस मिट्टी के गर्भ से उठ खड़ी हुई मणिकर्णिका।
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन भान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
जहां एक तरफ रानी अपने सैनिकों के साथ अभ्यास कर रही थी, वहीं दूसरी ओर अंग्रेजों ने झांसी पर हमला बोल दिया।
सैनिकों, पंडोरा पर कब्जा करने का वक्त आ गया है। क्या तुम तैयार हो? फायर!
पिघला दे जंजीरें, बना उनकी शमशीरें, कर हर मैदान फतेह ओ बंदिया, कर हर मैदान फतेह।
झांसी को अंग्रेजों ने शमशान बना डाला।
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
हम लड़ेंगे ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ियां अपनी आजादी का उत्सव मनाए। हम लड़ेंगे और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के स्वराज के सपने को पुनः जीवित करेंगे।
जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड।
वो अंग्रेज समझते हैं कि वो जो चाहे यहाँ से ले जा सकते हैं, पर हम भी उन्हें ये बताएंगे कि ये जमीन हमारी है और यहाँ से कोई कुछ नहीं ले जा सकता।
मरने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ।
लड़ी मर्दानी थी वो, झांसी वाली रानी थी वो।
Good morning, respected guests and parents. On efforts. A special thanks to our enthusiastic parents for all their support. May the spirit of today's events propel us towards a future filled with more victories both on and off the field. See you all at Kangaroo Kids on the coming Friday, the 22nd of December, for our fun-filled Christmas fiesta. Thank you.
Parents, kindly stand up for the national anthem.
Yes, you get the balloon also. Make another gift is there.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता